Hey scholars, ever splashed around in the bathtub, a swimming pool, or the ocean? It's so much fun. But guess what? When you play in water, you're also exploring science. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest science ideas out there: density. So, what is density? It's a physical property, something you can see, touch, and measure to group objects. Think about how some things feel rough, like wood, and others feel smooth, like a plastic table. Density is another way to describe and compare objects. But instead of using how they feel, we look at how they sink or float in water. If an object sinks, it's more dense than water. If it floats, it's less dense than water. Try making an M with your fingers. M for more dense, and that means it sinks. Now make an L, L for less dense, and that means it floats. Let's try it with a balloon. A balloon is full of air, and air is made of gas particles that are really spread out. That makes it less dense than water. So if we put a balloon in water, it floats. Even if you push it down, it pops back up. That's density in action. Now think about a sponge. When it's dry, it floats because it's full of air. But when you squeeze it underwater and it fills with water, it starts to sink a little. That's because it's now heavier and more dense. Let's test a few more things. A cork made of wood, it floats, it's less dense. A plastic chip, that one sinks. It's more dense than water. A small metal paperclip, even though it's tiny, it sinks fast because it's made of metal, which is very dense. So here's the big idea. Some materials like wood are usually less dense and float. Others like plastic or metal are often more dense and sink. Now it's your turn. Try testing objects like a metal spoon, a plastic spoon, and a wood block. Which ones float? Which ones sink? Use your science words like sink, float, more dense, and less dense. And if you can explain why, that makes you a real scientist. Science is all about exploring, asking questions, and having fun, even when you splash a little water. Keep experimenting, keep thinking, and remember, science opens your mind and you are an amazing scientist.